Hi, I'm April Golightly. I'm so excited to have you here today. We're going to be making creams of cauliflower soup with potatoes. It's actually vegan. So excited. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. This awesome cauliflower soup is made in the Instant Pot and is actually vegan. It's still creamy even though there's no dairy in it. I used a can of full-fat coconut milk to get the consistency of creamed cauliflower soup. Let's get started. Start by slicing up 2 heads of cauliflower. So you remove the greens and keep the white stems. Separate the 2 heads so that one will go into the Instant Pot and the other one will roast in the oven. Of course, all the stems can go into the Instant Pot with the broth. Next, let's peel the potatoes and slice them into 1-inch pieces. Let's break out the Instant Pot. Add the first chopped up head of cauliflower, including the stems, into the Instant Pot. Add the potatoes into the Instant Pot too. Then add a full container of vegetable broth. It's 32 ounces. Then sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of sea salt on top. Put the lid on the Instant Pot and press the soup button. Set the timer for 35 minutes. It's going to be at high pressure. Set the pressure valve so that it's closed and the veggies will be pressure cooked. While you wait, roast the other half of the cauliflower in the broiler at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. You want the cauliflower to look like it's burnt on top. I moved the oven shelf down to the middle so that the cauliflower would actually roast at the same rate that the Instant Pot was cooking. When the cauliflower is done roasting, remove it from the oven, and then if you want to keep it hot, you can cover it with aluminum foil. When the Instant Pot beeps showing that the pressure cooking is complete, you can actually quick release the steam. Make sure to be safe and keep your kids and your hands away from the venting area. Once the Instant Pot is done venting, shut it off and let it cool for a couple of minutes so that it's not scorching hot. Next, using an immersion blender, blend everything in the Instant Pot so that it's smooth. Then add a can of full-fat coconut milk and blend it until it's fully mixed. It's a healthy fat and makes the soup so creamy. Who knew that you could skip the dairy and still have a creamy soup? Serve the cauliflower soup hot and then add the roasted cauliflower to give the soup an awesome heartiness. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Also, don't forget to leave comments below on any other soups that you want me to make. If you want to see this recipe completely written out, you can go to aprilgolightly.com to see everything that I've created.